In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Read More button on your Wix website. The Read More button is a great tool for enhancing user experience and making sure that your website remains clean and easy to navigate while still providing all the details your visitors might want. So let's dive into the steps. First, fire up your Wix editor or Wix Studio. This is where all the magic happens, and it's where you'll be spending most of your time crafting your website. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen and find the add symbol, which is a plus sign. When you hover over or click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Button. This selection will allow you to add interactive elements to your website. Now, after you've chosen to add a button, simply drag it to the precise location where you want it to appear on your page. A good spot might be just below a summary paragraph where you've given a brief introduction or a quick overview. This location ensures that your visitors know exactly where to click if they're interested in reading further. With your button in place, it's time to add functionality to it. Click on the button you just placed and you'll see an array of options pop up. Among these options, look for a link icon, often represented by a chain link or a small symbol. This is where you'll connect the button to your full content. When you click the link icon, you'll be prompted to choose a link destination. You need to select Page, as we want to redirect users to another page that contains the full content they're looking for. Once you've selected Page, you'll then choose the specific page you set up with the complete article or content you want your visitors to see when they hit Read More. The final touch is making sure your button clearly communicates its purpose. Therefore, let's change its text to something easily understandable, like Read More. This simple phrase indicates to your readers that there's additional content to explore should they be intrigued by the snippet or summary offered on the front page. Now, as a quick recap, what we've done here is set up a seamless way for your users to navigate from a condensed preview of content to the full detailed version. By clicking this Read More button, they'll be taken directly to a separate page with all the nitty-gritty information they need. That's all there is to it. With just these few steps, you enhance your site's navigation and presentation, offering a clean and inviting interface that keeps your visitors engaged without overwhelming them with information all at once. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating a more user-friendly experience on your website.